मेरा गीत अमर कर दो, संगीत अमर कर दो, मेरी गीत अमर कर दो। जग ने छीना मुझसे मुझे जो भी लगा प्यारा, सब जीता किए मुझसे, मैं हरदम ही हारा। तुम हार के दिल अपना मेरी जीत अमर कर दो, होठों से छू लो तुम, मेरा गीत अमर कर दो। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए, मेरे ख्यालों के आंगन में कोई सपनों के दीप जलाए, दीप जलाए। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए। कभी यूं ही जब हुई वो जलसा से घर आए, बैठे बैठे यूं ही नहीं आते, कभी मचल के प्यार से चल के छुए कोई मुझे पर नजर ना आए, नजर ना आए। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए। याद है मुझको तूने कहा था तुमसे नहीं रूठेंगे कभी, दिल की तरह से आज मिले हैं, कैसे भला छूटेंगे कभी। तेरी बाहों में बीती हर शाम, कभी याद नहीं क्या हुआ तेरा वादा, वो कसम वो इरादा, भूलेगा दिल जिस दिन तुम्हें, वो दिन जिंदगी का आखिरी दिन होगा। क्या हुआ तेरा वादा, कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है, कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है, कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए, कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए। तू अब से पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं, तू अब से पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं। तुझे ज़मीं पे बुलाया गया है मेरे लिए, तुझे ज़मीं पे बुलाया गया है मेरे लिए। कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है। दिल को मेरे यूं तड़पाती है। ओ सनम मोहब्बत की कसम। समझे ज़माना के दिल है खिलौना जाना, अब क्या है दिल का लड़ाना नजरों से, अब ना हमको गिराना मर भी गए तो ना जाना। ओ सनम तेरे प्यार की कसम। डूबा रहता हूँ आँखों में तेरी, दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी। डूबा रहता हूँ आँखों में तेरी, दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी। अब दिन गुजरते नहीं रातें कटती नहीं, बस तस्वीर से बातें बनती नहीं। आजा डूबा रहता हूँ आँखों में तेरी, दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी। कोई जाने ना पहचाने ना ये हुआ कैसे, बन जाओ तुम मेरे हमसफर। कोई जाने ना पहचाने ना ये हुआ कैसे, बन जाओ तुम मेरे हमसफर। बेवफा सुनो बेवफा, बेवफा सुनो बेवफा न जाना। ला 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 चाहे यारा बताना पाए, बातें दिलों की देखो जो बाकी आंखें तुझे समझाए। तू जानना तू जानना तू जानना तू जानना। तो सनना जब से मिले, तो सनना जब से मिले बन गए सिलसिले। तो सनना जब से मिले बस सुध कोई है कोई मैंने न जाने गवाई मैंने, तुझको बसाया है धड़कन में सावरे। बस सुध कोई है कोई मैंने न तुझको बसाया है धड़कन में। टूटी चारपाई वही ठंडी पूर्वाही रास्ता देखे, दूधों की मलाई वही मिट्टी की सुराही रास्ता देखे। बन्नो रे बन्नो मेरी चली ससुराल को, अखियों में पानी दे गई दुआ में मिठी गुलदानी ले गई। आए गुड़िया रे गुड़िया तेरा गुड्डा परदेसिया, देखो आसमानी हो गई शगुन में, देखो सागमानी हो गई। रे कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा यो ना जा, तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयाँ। रे कबीरा मान जा रे फकीरा यूं ना जा कैसा तू है निर्मोही कैसा हर जाइया तुझको मैं रख लूँगा जहाँ पे कहीं है मेरा यकीन मैं जो तेरा न हुआ किसी का नहीं किसी का नहीं ले जाए जाने का हवाएं ले जाए तुझे कहाँ हवाएं बेगानी है ये बागी हवाएं ले जाए मुझे कहाँ हवाएं ले जाए जाने का ना मुझको खबर ना तुझको पता ओ शामें मलंग सी रातें सुरंग सी बागी उड़ान पे जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए इलाही मेरा जी आए इलाही मेरा जी आए इलाही मेरा जी
Hello everyone, my name is Leo Shadid Shah and I am your host for tonight. Wait, who are you? Who are you guys? Am I leader of Jews event? Because all of this is new.
Girls like to swing.
Hi you guys, I am Leo Dhruvi Shah and I am your host for the day.
Excuse me, wait, who are you?
Well, hi, I am new and you look like my co-host for today, but TBH, I haven't seen you around much.
Yeah, I mean, well, yes, I was on a break since 2017. But yeah, it's been 4 years, I'm back.
Oh, तो तू BC है?
मैं BC हूँ.
हाँ, मतलब before चिंतन, I joined Leo Club of June चिंतन से, तो उसके पहले के सारे मेरे लिए तो BC है.
हाँ, फिर चल, तो मैं BC हूँ.
यार, I am so excited to meet a BC. I always wanted to know how Leo Club was before. So can you tell me, how was Leo Club in your time?
Okay, honestly, our time was the best.
Well, I don't feel that it's just about 1 year. Leoism is an outgoing process and we pledge to continue. with the same enthusiasm and work to serve our society in every possible way. Leo Club tries to ensure that every member gets an opportunity to become a leader and thus gain the required experience. This year has seen the Leo Club of Juhu take huge steps forward in every sector of the society. Let's have a huge round of applause for the amazing outgoing team who have put in great efforts in raising the bar of this dynamic club.
So, ladies and gentlemen present here, we welcome you all for the 51st installation ceremony of Leo Club of Juhu.
No event takes place without taking God's blessings. So I am excited to, I request all the dignitaries to join us for the lighting of the lamp.
I request Leo Akshit Shah to escort installing officer Leo Lion Dipesh Doshi.
Leo Anirudh Chitalia to escort a keynote speaker, Leo Lion Tejas Mehta.
Leo Shipra Maheshwari to escort multiple district president Leo Lion Shwetang Maheshwari.
Leo Krutant Bilakhya to escort our inducting officer, Lion Ashish Sheth.
Leo Manan Shah to escort our guest of honor district president Leo Lion Rahul Narula.
And Leo Raj Patwara to escort our chief guest, Leo Lion Shashank Maheshwari, to the dais.
May I also request Mr. Lion Milan Ajmera to join us for the lighting of lamp as well. I'll also request Lanchital Sarvaiya to join us for the lighting of lamp.
Krutan, face this side. Krutan.
चलो शशांक राहुल श्वेतांक come.
राहुल थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ ना.
Shipra? Shitala? Shipra, come.
Shipra, go this side. Shipra, come this side.
We would now like to request the club president of Leo Club of Juhu, Leo Krutant Bilakhya, to call the meeting to order.
Good morning. I, Leo Krutant Bilakhya, President of Leo Club of Juhu, call the 51st installation ceremony and the first regular meeting to order.
Thank you, Leo Krutant Bilakhya. Moving on with the agenda, I would now like to request Leo Diya Manik to come to the podium and join us for the Leo Pledge.
Thank you. I request all Leos to rise from their seats. Thank Thank you. I request all Leos to rise from their seats. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I pledge of my hands, extended and open, to help those in need. I pledge of my heart, reach for it and it will be touched. I pledge of my ears, to hear another's outcry. My eyes, to see the plight of others. My knowledge, to bring a man closer to his dreams. I pledge of myself, for the betterment of my community, my state and my country. Thank you.
Thank you, Leo Dia Manik, for the Leo Pledge. I would now like to call upon Leo Hitansh Doshi for the flag salutation.
I would like everyone to rise on their seats. We salute our national flag and pledge our allegiance to the same. Its honor and its glory depend upon the zeal and assiduity with which each one of us shoulders our responsibility of a good citizen. Its glorious history, written in letters of gold, inspires us to put in good work for the fair name of our country. We declare our unflinching loyalty to our national flag and maintain that its course shall be our course, and that each individual amongst us shall make genuine efforts to add to its luster and glory, and make it fly proudly in the comity of nations. Thank you.
Thank you, Leo Hitansh Doshi. We would now like to request the Golden Jubilee President of Leo Club of Juhu, Leo Kritan Bilakia, for his welcome address.
Good morning, everyone. Well, after a brilliant welcome by Shivraj, this should just be a formality, but I welcome all of you to this 51st installation ceremony. Dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, on Zoom, members both BC and AC, and Leos, Lions, everyone. I welcome you all to this installation ceremony. You are in for a really crazy installation and a really crazy year ahead. So stay tuned.
ध्रुवी चेक लिख रहा हूँ, साइन करके ये ले, इन कैश कर देना, इवेंट के लिए चाहिए, ओके? What did you do?
पेटीएम करो. क्षितिज, नीता अंबानी નથી દેખાતા.
હવે એમ ના હોય, આવા કદે ઇવેન્ટમાં ના આવે, એમની પાસે 100 કામ હોય. હું ચીફ ઓફ સ્ટાફ છું, એ મતલબ એમ નથી કે હર ઇવેન્ટમાં આવી જાય.
Well, so the next person coming up is a very old Mota Bhai of Leo Club of Juhu, the right hand of the Ambanis and a man who often keeps on saying, "Wo chhode, thai thashe yaar." So please welcome treasurer of Leo Club of Juhu, Leo Anirudh Chitalia, and his team, Leo Danesh Sakaria and Leo Kunal Mehta, for the treasury report.
Presiding Officer Leo Kritan Bilakia and all the dignitaries on and off the dais. Good morning to one and all. Today, I am going to present the Treasury Report for the year 2020-2021. So, to start with, I would thank Kritan for giving me this opportunity, and I would congratulate and give best wishes to Shipra and his team for the upcoming year. Okay. So, starting with the report, we have the admin report. Sorry. Dignitaries have the report in their folder, and for others it is displayed. Okay, so starting with, we inducted 34 new members in the year, and in spite of the pandemic, and adding to it total of 104 members. Our total membership collection was 4,53,100 rupees. So now going forward, we had no rituals. We collected 8,200 rupees on account of EC dues. We collected 1 lakh rupees for the vaccination drive which was conducted by Leo Club of Jew. We accumulated interest of rupees 7,288, and I will thank our sponsors Kunal Bawad for sponsoring for the app of rupees 5,000, and Lion Leo Shashank Maheshwari for all the trophies which we received at the award night. So coming up to the expense side, we had total of 14 regular meetings, out of which costed us 1,43,000 rupees, and award night of last year, Chintan's year, which costed us 36,000 rupees. And the key highlight of our year was the app, which our president made it possible. The president Krutan Bilakia and Hetav were the key founders of the app. They themselves developed the app, which was of rupees 9,400 rupees for Android and Apple subscription both. After that, we paid 13,400 rupees for the website, 4,700 for the docket, and a total of 42,150 for the EC dues to the district were timely paid. Next, coming up to the Global Hospital, which was the vaccination drive, where we paid around 1,06,000 rupees, and the Golden Jubilee hampers which we distributed cost 75,500 rupees. Coming up to the pins, which was 7,500 rupees, and other miscellaneous expenses which summed up to 4,700 rupees, which also included the hosting of our multiple open mic which was done on the multiple level, and we have a bank balance of 1,66,720 rupees, which will be used towards the 2-night trip which all the Leos are waiting for. Okay. For the service side, we did a total service and managed the funds for 14 lakh rupees, which is almost the highest in the district. Out of which the main key project was Annadan Anamrita, which costed around 3 lakh rupees. Our Anas Dan was also the key highlight, where we collected more than 600 bags, which was worth rupees 3 lakh. So, this is all for the treasury report from my side. Now I will ask my joint treasurer Kunal to take it forward.
Thank you, Anirudh, for that report. A very warm welcome to the presiding officer, Leo Krutan Bilakia, and all the dignitaries and my fellow Leo members. To begin with, my experience as a joint treasurer, let's face it, this year was had a lot of ups and downs. And Krutan Bilakia was responsible for the ups of the club. Before the year started, it was difficult to budget his plans. The banquets were really big, but then COVID happened and we all were, let down. Our morale was down. But he was the one who, lifted up our morale always. He has brilliant ideas. You ever start a conversation with him and he'll take you to, to depths of, how you can leverage your potential to be a great Leo at this club. Okay, that was my experience, and we did over 50 projects in the COVID pandemic. That was really great. Moving on to the sponsors for a year. we're thankful for the following sponsors: Lion Milan Ajmera, BNP Paribas, Mumbai Dharkan, Subhash Sagar, Jasmine Thakkar and Falguni Thakkar, Leo Club of Bombay 7 Bungalows, Leo Club of Sports Warriors, Gaurav Todi, Leo District 3231A3, Dr. Mohanbhai Patel and COVID Task Force, Urja Fundraiser, Lion Milan Ajmera, Lion Shrenik Shah, Lions Zoo Smita Milan Ajmera Foundation, which has been really supportive, Lion Riddhish Shah, Haresh J. Shah, Harish Agarwal, Dr. Kishore Punjabi, Lion Chetan Shah, and many more. I'm sorry, I apologize if I haven't taken any name, but thank you so much.
That's it from the treasury team. We don't have our joint treasurer Danesh with us. He might be joining us later. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Leo Anirudh and team for your report. It was as perfect as the balance sheet of Reliance. Strong and cash positive.
मुझे भगवान एक वरदान आपी दे।
Kshitij, what are you doing?
What do you think I was doing? I was playing.
Well, that is so outdated.
How do you do it nowadays, huh?
Hold my mic.
Well, let's see.
टिक चिकडिक 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 चिक शेरावाली अंबे माता रानी माता जगदंबे माँ शेरावाली अंबे माता रानी माता जगदंबे माँ शेरावाली everybody in the house चिकडिक 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 माँ मुरादे पूरी कर दे हलवा बांटूंगी डिक चिकडिक चिकडिक चिक डिक चिकडिक चिकडिक चिक डिक चिकडिक चिकडिक चिक
Well, that's definitely new.
That's exactly how the next person coming up is. An old school, but with a tinge of new. Becoming the secretary of Leo Club of Jew is a very tough job, but he has left no stones unturned. Leo Akshat Shah has also won the best secretary at the district level. So, I would like to call upon Leo Akshat Shah and his team, Leo Dhruvi Mehta and Leo Hetav Desai for his secretarial report.
Thank you, MOCs, for such a great introduction. Thank you. Firstly, a very good morning to all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. On behalf of my joint secretaries who are not present here, and the secretarial team, I will be presenting the secretarial report for the year 2020 and 2021. So finally, the golden jubilee year of Leo Club of Jew has ended. A year full of innovation, full of service, fellowship, bonding, entertainment, learning, and growing. When the year started, things were very uncertain, but the only thing we were certain of was that we were not going to lose hope. We were going to keep giving our best and take every little opportunity which we get. And today, at the end of the year, we are proud to say that we have done that. We were adaptable to Zoom communications. We innovated with the creative online regular meetings. We didn't show any excuse to conduct the necessary board meetings and regular meetings every month. We conducted our installation, OSW, December service week, DP visit, everything on time. And at the end, we have an overwhelming result for all the hard work and dedication shown by all the Jew Leos throughout the year. We have conducted 54 service projects throughout the year, 50,000 plus beneficiaries benefiting from it, for which Leos have dedicated 17,000 plus Leo hours. The total cost for all the service project was more than rupees 14,50,000. The service projects were divided into various areas like hunger, pride, COVID, healthcare, empowerment, awareness, and environment. Hunger, which was a core focus throughout the year, and pride was one of our most important initiatives throughout the year. While COVID projects were the need of the hour. While doing all the service projects, we didn't compromise on regular meetings. In total, we conducted 19 regular meetings, which were creative, entertaining, and full of fun-filled entertainment. From ice-breaking events to awards night, from open mics to one-night trips, from Zoom entertainment to physical meetings, we had it all. And yes, we are not done yet. We still have a 2-night pending on us, and we'll be doing it soon. Moving forward to some of the highlights of the club, the MyLCJ app. You guys know what a big thing this is. It has been known to all the Leos throughout the district, multiple and even international. This is what Leoism brings. Two Leos coming together and making wonders. And all the things you want to know about Leoism is in the app, and I won't speak much. Krutan will take it in his speech. The twinning activities. This was one of the most important initiatives throughout the year. Through twinning, we were able to raise funds, collaborate with other clubs, learn from other clubs, guide other clubs, and bring the bonding between the Leos. Overall, we twinned with over 80 clubs, over 15 plus service activities. One more initiative was Julio COVID Task Force. This was one of the most needed initiatives throughout the year. This was done during the second wave of the COVID, and we coordinated for hospital beds, we conducted blood donation camps, we provided plasma leads, we made databases, we provided oxygen cylinders, and every other possible thing we could do to help COVID affected people with it. And to know more about what we have done throughout the year, I would like to have the AV.
Daily new cases continue to rise even on the 40th day of the lockdown in India.
India crossing the 10 lakh mark, only the third country in the world to have 10 million cases.
Rising, and it's only going up. This despite being in a lockdown. Then India's curve is only getting steeper.
आज रात 12 बजे से घरों से बाहर निकलने पर पूरी तरह पाबंदी लगाई जाए.
Something that is really interesting is, there is always talks about innovation and, people innovate by their choice. But this year specifically, every single Leo and the Micro was forced to innovate. There was no other option but to innovate.
My wish that in our Julio's 50th year, we should carry out minimum 50 projects.
चल भाई अब नीचे आओ यार, कितनी बार थी उबा यार. फटाफट आओ चल. 5 मिनट बोलते चल ले भाई, जल्दी आओ ना. हाँ आवे जा. चल भाई आओ.
अबे इन्हीं 5 मिनट में आपको कितना Even though the pandemic, we have been able to conduct 18 regular meetings, which has led to increase in bonding and fellowship between the members of the club. भाई 5 मिनट नहीं 50 मिनट थे, जल्दी आओ भाई. जल्दी आओ भाई, जल्दी फटाफट आओ.
Community is like the dance society. the film society, everyone would be friends, just coming along together, making films, making short videos, dancing together, rehearsing together, learning together, and showcasing it at the right time.
My LCJ app is the disruption that will make your experience convenient and faster. I remember we started working on the development of the app in December 2019. None of us was an experienced app developer, but we learned all the required technologies.
The club has decided to become an ally for the LGBTQ community through service projects, awareness, talks, and many more things.
Years. Wow. Leo Club of Jew, really hearty congratulations.
Wishing Leo Club of Jew a very happy 50th birthday. One word that describes Leo Club of Jew: excellence.
Congratulations for being one of the Golden Jubilee Club of India. Great club, and one word for the club: legacy. Wishing the Leo Club of Juhu, my favorite Leo Club, 50 years anniversary. My salute to them.
To be a Leo, we all feel good. But to be a Julio, we all feel proud. But to be a Golden Julio, we all feel super proud.
And we are not done yet.
दोस्तों आज मैं तुम्हें 2 बार दातुन करने की टेक्निक बताऊंगा।
Every single smile that is there, and every single amount of friendship that Rural Yoga was created, this platform and everything.
Guys, this video has been edited by our own president, Krutan Bilakhya. And I guess we haven't slept since last 2 days. So yeah, this is the heart of that. So yeah, all this which you saw wouldn't have been possible without the continuous support of all Lions, the district and the multiple. We are forever thankful to them. This year, Julios have gone up and beyond and rode on top of their voice. This year wouldn't have been so successful without the contribution of each and every member of the club. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the BODs, the extended council, the service heads, the regular meeting heads, the regular meeting teams, and all the LEOs at the grassroots levels, and everyone who contributed towards the successful Golden Jubilee year of Leo Club of June. Finally, coming to the micro, I would like to start with my joint secretaries, Leo Dhruvi Mehta and Leo Hetav Desai. I couldn't have asked for a better team. They were just amazing. Any work given to them was done very fast, and I actually have no words to say. What can I say? It's beyond what I asked for, and I'm very, very thankful to them. Coming to the treasury team, Babu, like we could go on war with Babu on our side. So Babu is that kind of a person. कुछ भी हुआ हो जाएगा, सब ठीक है. And equally supported by Kunal and Danish. They are the bodybuilders of our micro. The most calmest person and the most sorted people there. So thank you for the support, treasury team. Coming to Shipra, I actually had 2 joint secretaries, but Shipra was always there to guide me. Shipra being a ex-secretary, so it was very helpful from her guidance and all the experience which she had, and she was always there. Like it was not like कि VP है तो फिर पीछे रहेगी नहीं. She was always there for us and she always guided us. So thank you Shipra for that. Milan uncle. This young uncle couldn't have been successful without you. हम लोग होते तो ठीक है, we would have been satisfied with much less, but you were like 50 service projects तो करना है, ये तो करना है, ये वो तो करना ही है. And without you and without your support, you were there too. You didn't just say कि ये करना है. You made sure that has happened, and as Kutante said, every single word which you have said is gonna be true or is true. So thank you so much for all the support throughout the year. Krutan, I haven't seen a much more talented person than him. He is a bag full of talent. What you know Krutan, everyone knows Krutan. I mean, he's a person who अकेला खड़ा है कि club चला सकता है. He is a treasurer, secretary, president, VP, everything in himself. And at such a young age, you have such a great experience, and I'm sure you are going to go way beyond above and Leoism. So all the best for the future. So that's about the secretarial speech. And yeah, signing off, Leo Akshat Shah with Leo Dhruvi Mehta and Leo Hetav Desai, secretarial team 2020-2021.
Thank you, Leo Akshat Shah, for your secretarial report. Your video was damn good. I am sure it's been a great year. We would now like to acknowledge the presence of Leo Krutan Shah and Leo Anchit Agarwal, the past district presidents of A2. Moving on with the agenda, the next person coming up is one of the strongest supporters of the micro. He himself has been a past president. This year we felt he was more of a Leo than a lion because of his omnipresence. Be it any Leo event, Uncle, your enthusiasm was soaring high. I would now like to call upon Lion Miller Ajmera, our advisor for the year, for his advisory speech.
Hello, President Krutan, dignitaries on the dais, on Zoom, my dear line members, and my friends, Leos. So to be a Leo, really a great opportunity. I feel myself always a Leo, even though say I'm Lions from the last
more than 30 years. But to be a Leo is a different thing, different, all thought process, everything is different. So just you feel better, say, in your life. You make yourself happy. So that is the main great thing about the Leo. So always cheer up yourself, say, while you are enjoying your Leoism. Take part, do services, meet people, friends. So this is the object of the Leo. We have to learn. We have to become a leader. We are here to do a service. Whatever we have, say whatever the God has given us, we have to share with each and everyone. And the Leo is a platform. Leo gives the chance a person to perform very well, to do his duty, to make himself responsible. During my Leo advisorship, really I have learned a lot of things for all these all these youngsters. Really, what to say about this Krutant, President Krutant? Hats off to you. See, even the pandemic, even though in lockdown, just to carry out so many projects, and so from the day one, he has planned. Before the year starts, say he was having ready all the list what he wanted to do. An excellent idea of the app, mobile app, really out of the box. I appreciate that. And definitely Shipra and other presidents will take advantage of this app. So definitely will help better BOD meetings and everything, the reports and everything. So what to say about micro, what they have done, say already Akshat have done, so I won't go in that much detail of the service. But just I'll speak about the President, Secretary, Treasurer, Micro, and about the Leos. President, definitely I appreciate like anything, whatever you have done. You have all the qualities of leadership. So we, being a Lions Club of Juhu, we look forward to you say in many leaders in the coming years. So just keep doing all that thing and make yourself better. And Akshat, very silent. अरे कुछ बोलना ही नहीं है कभी भी, अरे बाहर निकलना है तो भी उसको बुलाना पड़ता है मुंह से, अरे अंकल, लेकिन he is so meticulous in his work, really. जो रहता है वो कर, absolutely fine. Say no need to rethink और कि उनको बोलना नहीं पड़ता है कि वो तैयार रहता है, मैसेज भेजना है, मीटिंग का कुछ करना है, तो he is always ready with all that thing. So absolutely, Akshat, great guy. And Anirudh, હું અનિરુદ્ધ જ કહું છું, તમે ભલે બાબુ કહો, મને આજ સુધી મને હજી બાબુ મોઢામાં નથી આવતું. સો અનિરુદ્ધ one in all, બધાનું સાચું છે. He is ready to do each and everything. प्रेसिडेंट का काम रहेगा मैं करूँगा, सेक्रेटरी का काम मैं रहूँगा, प्रेसिडेंट का आराम करेगा, नो प्रॉब्लम. आई एम हियर टू डू each and everything. And so humble, very humble person. तो और बोर्ड में से 1-to-1 तो नहीं हुआ ये साल काफ़ी ड्यू टू द लॉकडाउन एंड ड्यू टू द गाइडलाइंस. तो ये तो मेरा रियली है ही कि मन में कि मैं किसी को बीओडी को माइक्रो को नहीं मिल सका. और इतना जो मैंने सोच के रखा था कि ये साल में इतने करेंगे, ये करेंगे. बीइंग अ गोल्डन जुबली ईयर ऑफ आवर क्लब, वी वांटेड टू डू, वी वांट टू सेलिब्रेट इन अ ग्रैंड वे. So still remain. I request Shipra, just if you get a chance, we want to celebrate that Golden Jubilee year also in this 51st year, right? And Sheetal, just keep in mind this thing. So, because we have very huge, our ex-Leos membership. We want to invite them, we want to take their help, say, in future. We want to make them lions also. And what about to say Julio? 50 साल का किसका रिकॉर्ड है, किसका हिस्ट्री है कहाँ का? और ईयर आफ्टर ईयर कहाँ पे भी एक भी जगह में डाउन नहीं है, ग्रोथ ही ऑलवेज। तो जो भी नया लियो प्रेसिडेंट रहता है उनको वो लीडर से आगे ऊपर ही जाना है। तो एंड आई एम वेरी मच श्योर से लीडर ही ऐसा बना है कि वो ऊपर ही धकेलता है, वो नीचे जाने ही नहीं देता किसी को। 50 साल में कोई गिरा नहीं है, सब लोग बेस से बेस करके चले गए और आगे उससे बेस्ट होना है। तो आप लोग जो है राज है, दूसरे लोग है, कुणाल है जो इनकमिंग प्रेसिडेंट मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि बनेंगे, दे आर इन द लाइन। सो बाबू अक्सर से ये तो वो तो है ही, तो डेफिनेटली तो आप लोगों को जो है तो and you have that creativity, that you have say very good thoughts, really I admire. So only thing is that certain thing due to the lockdown, due to the pandemic हम लोग नहीं कर सके, तो we feel sorry for that. और अभी आगे जाके जो जहाँ पे भी जब भी कुछ टाइम मिलेगा definitely do so. And the only I can say after going through the video AV of Akshar, just we want to have 3 cheers for the Krutant and all micro for this. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! And just I want to say about Rahul, our own member. Say he is now district president, so it is our duty to support him in all his dreams to make fulfill. So Rahul, we are here for you as and when you want us, right? So just please give your commitment to the Rahul, right? All the best, Rahul. And Shipra, you are most experienced in this Leo in today's time, and you are going to you are going to lead the club. So we are expecting so much from you to take our club to a much greater height. So all the best to you and Sheetal. So you are again very into Leo. Even though you are not Leo, but you feel like Naresh permanent Leo. So એટલે તને એ તકલીફ નહીં પડે. So just motivate our young dynamic Leos and just I am 100% sure that you are going to do your best and just take our club to a new height. And once again I thank all of you for giving me love, affection and whatever honor. I am thankful to all of you, and I will remain as a Leo forever. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Lion Milan Ajmera uncle, for your wise words and your constant support. We were really grateful for having you as our advisor.
Moving on with the agenda, Lion Vijay Ketan couldn't be with us today, so he sends his blessings and regards. What did you do?
Just I forgot to mention one thing.
Sure, sure.
Sorry guys, I had to just skip from my mind. The best thing is that this year you have dynamic line president. So he is my family member, Ashish. So, but sorry Ashish, I am really sorry for that. He is so dynamic. અને બધી રીતે વ્યવસ્થિત છે. તમે ખાલી એનો કેટલો ભરપૂર લાભ લઈ શકો છો. Just you have to see that. So make sure yourself કે તમારે શું જોઈએ છે અને શું કરવું છે. Don't think about anything regarding the service, projects, any approvals, and even though Shipra, important thing is finance. You will get donors if you want sponsorship for the meetings, anything. So he is very humble person, and he knows how to be with you. So take him everywhere with you, in the service project everywhere. So that is the best thing that you have Ashish with you, and Amita also. Amita is also so kind. So make rapport with him. Huh? Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Lion Milan Ajmera.
Sorry to interrupt.
It's all good.
Wait, did you do something?
No.
I didn't do it. Krutan. अब क्या कांड किया भाई? ओह शिट, 12 बज गए. कृतांत, तू अभी तक सोया नहीं? देखो भाई, कृतांत रहता तो इंडिया में है, पर फॉलो तो यूएस का टाइम करता है.
Krutan, from being the Leo of the Year in my presidential year to become the president of Leo Club of Juhu, you've definitely come a long way.
We would now like to invite our very own version of Justin Bieber, who has truly exceeded all expectations. He has digitalized Leo Club of Juhu to another level. We couldn't be any more prouder. So that's Leo Krutant Bilakia as the president of this club for the one last time.
Dhruvi, not only US standard time, I have this year followed every single local time of every single country because Babu 4 बजे call करता है and Akshat 8 बजे call करता है. So last time we were at this we were at an installation. Babu and Manan were in shots behind the camera. So I'm a bit not used to this, so please bear with me. Also, there has been last board meeting, last get together, awards night. So I have had a lot of last speeches. So थोड़ा अगर repeat हो जाए तो please bear with me. So I think ever since I came here and since the past week, everyone has been asking me, how was your year? Are you satisfied? How are you feeling? And I was always like, yeah, it is. I'm completely satisfied. I'm completely chill. Like I'm not feeling all those things. And I thought I was completely prepared to deliver this address right now. And I don't know why, but while editing that secretarial video, I've been seeing that hundreds of times since the last 2 days. But right now when I saw it, I was like, nah, I'm not prepared to deliver this address now. So I tried to write things, but can't put things into words right now. Ever since the time I wanted to become the president, I took it up more seriously after Chintan. And Chintan, I was like, Chintan tu ban ja, uske baad main ban jata hu. And we were like, that time it got a bit serious that I'm genuinely becoming the president. And I started noting down things that I want to do. There's a whole list of around 30 to 40 things that I wanted to do in my year. But Leo Club of Juhu, as usual, gives you a brilliant opportunity as ever, an opportunity to innovate. And we did that this year. First day as the president, micro meetings, board meetings, you think you're prepared. As a vice president, you think you're prepared ki ho jayega first micro meeting, first board meeting, but no. The way I've grown, it is all because of this board of directors. We have video proof of board meetings because it was on Zoom. If you look at me in my first board meeting, if you look at me right now in my last board meeting, or even at this installation ceremony, I have grown immensely, and it is all thanks to you guys. Being the Golden Jubilee year and also the pandemic, things had to be changed immediately. The pressure was unimaginable. But as the secretarial video rightly pointed out, the only way to overcome challenges is to take it head on. And we did that. A lot of initiatives through the year. The MyLCJ app. So all of this has been highlighted in the secretarial video, but I'll just like to highlight my stories behind all of this. For the MyLCJ app, in October or November, I called up Hetav. We were both studying in the same college doing computer engineering, and I was like, I have this idea, do you want to try it out? Let's make an app for Leo Club of Jew. But we did not know how to. Like start kaise karte, we did not even know the language. But December 2019 we sat together, we discussed it out, we made a layout which I would show you right now. It was really bullshit, but we made that, and we started working on it dheere dheere. There were so many roadblocks that came in the way, but we just went through it. There are literally, we started our Zoom calls in the middle of the year. He had to go to Surat because he lives there because of the pandemic. And we started our Zoom calls after lunch, and it used to go on till 5 AM in the night just because of that one single bug that the app couldn't solve. And we've given out countless nights to this, but right now I can say proudly that the MyLCJ app is live on the App Store, on the Play Store, to be downloaded, to be used by every single Leo. And that single yes, that single saying yes to that opportunity, taking that challenge head on, makes you right now I become much more confident that I can make any app in the world now. So say yes to those opportunities, take those challenges head on. Coming to the next initiative, which is communities. So when I started as a Leo, as a new member in Leo Club of Jew, I was in my 11th standard. I was like, we'll do science, then engineering, computer engineering, coding karke. That is Google mein job, dream job karenge. That was the idea. I did not know all these things: graphic designing, advertising, marketing, social media, website making. I did not know these things. But it was my first year, and I got a call from the president Shwet that time. There is no one available right now, and you have some knowledge of computers. Would you please make a poster for us? Event kal hi hai and urgent hai. I was like, ठीक है, let me try. It was a really bad poster, but that opportunity Leo Club of Jew gave me, and then social media came with Naishil and Akshay. We started with social media for Leo Club of Jew, and look at where it is right now. Then came the website in Kshitij's year. I took it up, made the website, and these kinds of different opportunities that I would have never thought I would be doing. I am making films today because of Leo Club of Jew, because of the international video competition that comes. And this was my vision for the year, that we are going to do these 5 to 10 things all our life. We know that we are going to do these 5 to 10 things, but there is this 11th thing that we don't even know exists, that we love, that we don't even know that we're going to be doing for the rest of our lives. I wanted to give that opportunity to every single Leo, and that is why we started with communities, dance society and film society, where Leos could come together, just have a good time, explore their passion. The idea was to increase the number of communities slowly, and we'll be taking that up in the multiple under Leo Shwetang Maheshwari's guidance. So that is happening. Coming to Pride. So Leo Club of Jew successfully was an ally of the LGBTQ community. There were a lot of ups and downs, but we took the challenges, and I'm proud to say that we were one of the first Leo clubs, Lions clubs worldwide to take this up as a topic in the year. And even twinning. We twinned with more than 80 clubs. Meeting all those presidents, learning from them, learning their styles, collaborating with them was an amazing experience. I would definitely recommend Shipra to take up twinning as the forefront. Every single thing that you think is grand, every single thing that we have done has a really interesting story behind it. For example, the hamper. There was no installation happening, and we had a budget for 900 rupees ka plate. So we are like, why not give out hampers? And I can see so many Leos here who have given their days, given their nights, making those hampers by hand. We did not outsource it or anything. We made it by our hands, painted those popcorn boxes that you got, and made it look professional. As if we got calls कि किसको order दिया था इसके लिए. So, thank you so much for all the Leos who worked behind those hampers. Even the COVID task force and vaccination. COVID was an interesting thing that happened this year, and we took it head on. We vaccinated so many Leos, we helped so many people. There are so many thank you messages that keep coming every day. Blood donors, plasma donors, oxygen concentrators, beds. The Jew Leo COVID task force was outstanding throughout the year. So yeah, basically we've given a lot of sweat and blood throughout the year. A little too much blood last night from Akshat legs, but yeah. So now, when you're becoming the president, everyone keeps asking you, okay, who is going to be your advisor? What do you think who do you think your advisor will be? Do you even know who your advisor is? I'll tell you one hidden secret. You are the only person who is not the advisor. Every single person you surround yourself with will be an advisor throughout the year. And I am very grateful to have surrounded myself with the best of advisors that I've had this year. Firstly, thanking my family. The schedule was, I don't know what the schedule, as Dhruvi rightly pointed out. I used to wake up at any random time, go out at any random time. Sometimes used to have dinner at home, lunch at home, or even not. Used to be out for, days, doing things for the club, doing things for the community. And, but my family made sure that they were always there for me. And whenever I reach home or whenever I wake up, khana always tha. It is not that, the time has passed or anything. So thank you so much to my family. This is Leo Club of Jew's 50th year, and it is only possible for me to say this because of those past presidents who have added every single year in the history of Leo Club of Jew. Some really great past presidents that I have had the pleasure to work with. Leo Rahul. I'm looking forward to a year as the district president, and you are awesome. I remember we started social media and the website initiatives together, and ever since, Leo Rahul has been innovating throughout. Leo Chintan. Chintan is like a brother. I think we have slept at, I have slept at his place more than mine during Rajan's year, and इसीलिए मैंने एज अ ब्रदर बोला पहले and he's just always one call away, solving problems like an expert. So thank you so much, Chintan. Kshitij, as he rightly pointed out, as the Leo of the Year in his year, he gave me the first official position in his year as the board of director. And I'm so grateful for Kshitij. He has always been there as a friend, as a guide. Thank you so much, Kshitij. Shwet, I became a member in Shwet's year, and a president and new members don't usually communicate directly. There is some chain of hierarchy, but Shwet always used to listen to my ideas keenly. And he used to guide me how to get this started, how to explore this, not only in Leoism, but even outside of Leoism. So thank you so much, Shwet, for that. And Leola and Shashank Maheshwari, I can't be grateful enough for the opportunities that you have given me. And every one of us know that what amazing, what kind of a person you are. So, Golden Jubilee was 50 years, that your year was really, really important for Leo Club of Jew. And Rajan, yes, he made me a part of his micro, and he's here, na? Rajan is here, na? Rajan se yaad aaya. Rajan always used to say that everyone from my micro should become a president. So Mansi, if you're watching, you're the only one left. But Rajan, thank you so much for trusting me with everything that you did. And that opportunity that you gave was really a great jump that I could have in Leoism. So thank you so much. Coming to the Lion PST, I'm really grateful for their extreme support and guidance throughout the year. And there is a secret for 50 years of Leo Club of Jew, or for a premier Leo Club. which is its Lions Club and the Lions sitting here. I would specifically like to thank Naresh Uncle. Naresh Uncle, I don't have to say why I am thanking you, because you know, you've always been there and you've always been one call away. So thank you so much. And I know that you were always there for me, so that gave me the strength to fight things that were happening in the year. So thank you so much. There's Umesh Uncle and Chetan Uncle, the really dynamic Lions that we have representing Lions Club Ju and Leos also at the district and the multiple. Their commitment towards the district multiple and towards Leo Club Ju just shows how important they think Leos are, and that is something which peculiarly stands out for both of them. They really think Leos are important, and that is what has been a guiding force for Leo Club of Ju since so many years. Ketan Uncle, Hiten Uncle, Raj Uncle, some past presidents of Lions Club of Ju that I had the pleasure of working one-on-one. And these guys are really dynamic people. And just a conversation, just exchanging few sentences with them will leave you mind blown. Then we have Devangi Auntie, Rani Auntie, Dharmesh Uncle, Shrenik Uncle, Ritesh Uncle. These guys have been ever supported. Ashish Uncle. Ashish Uncle is someone who is a person who welcomes innovation. And Shipra, you're going to have an amazing time next year. So Ashish Uncle, thank you so much for hearing Leos out always and doing what you do for Leo Club of Ju and Lions Club of Ju. Then there's Ankit Uncle also. He was the advisor last year and he's been ever supportive of Leo Club of Ju, and it's just a pleasure to talk to him always. He has been solving, he does not just tell us ki aise solve kar lo, he sits with us, solves it with us together, and Anirudh would know that how helpful Ankit Uncle was throughout the year. Some Leos, Leo Lion ban gaya actually, sab actually. Leo Lion Dipesh, Leo Lion Manthan, Leo Lion Shwetang, Leo Lion Tejas Bhai. I am so grateful for all the recognition that you do at the multiple for Leo Club of Ju, and you give the opportunities for Leos like us to represent our club at the multiple, at the district, and the amount of things you have contributed is a lot, but there's one thing that I would always say that you've contributed is these opportunities that you give to budding Leos at the multiple, at the district. I think that is creating a lot of leaders, and that is changing the way Leoism works. Thank you so much. And yes, Leo Viral, of course. He has been really support. There are a lot of initiatives that we could not do at the club, and Viral was like, it's okay. Initiative तो करना है, district के साथ कर लेते हैं, भले Leo Club of Ju का ही नाम रखेंगे, but let it be under the district and you go ahead with the initiative. He has been a really supportive factor as a friend also, approachable as a friend also. Thank you so much, Viral. I am so grateful that you were the district president this year. Now coming to the extended council, which is the social media team, the sports director. Firstly, I'd like to start with the social media team. There were creative directors Sanya and Virali. Then there's Sneha, Krisha and Saurav heading the social media and the creative department of the club. You guys are brilliant, and I have said this a lot of times, you guys are my favorite bunch of Leos. I would love to work with you guys in social media, outside of social media, whenever possible. So yes, thank you so much for being a part of the team. Then there's sports directors Nemil, Utsav and Forum. Pandemic and sports don't go well together, but still these guys managed to do something engaging, some fun games, some fun sports activities every single month. So kudos to these guys. Thank you so much, Nemil, Utsav and Forum. We have Golden Jubilee directors Ayusha and Dwani. As Milan Uncle rightly said, we could not do the grand Golden Jubilee event that we wanted to do. But yes, every single small things that were happening throughout the year that were pertaining to the 50 theme, these guys were really behind it. So thank you, Ayusha and Dwani. coming to the film communities and dance communities, we've been creating a lot of things together. We've been dancing together, and thank you so much for being a part of it. So yes. Also, I'd like to thank some really important people, which is Sunil uncle, Krishna uncle, and Vinayak uncle, who work day and night at the club office for us. They've been really supportive. Again, Anirudh will know that एक बार बोलते हैं, in fact they suggest us things, ideas ki how we could fast track things, how it could ease it for us. So thank you so much, Sunil uncle, Krishna uncle, and Vinayak uncle. Okay, so now coming to my micro. Firstly, I would like to start with Leo Kunal and Leo Danesh as the joint treasurers of the club. These guys were experts in decision making actually. Whenever we used to discuss things, these guys used to say something ki ye kar sakte hai, ye karna hai, and we actually end up doing those things. So these guys have that kind of vision, and I look at you guys leading important positions at the club, at the district, at the multiple someday, and thank you so much for always being there for us. Now coming to Hetav and Dhruvi, the joint secretaries of the club. So Dhruvi was someone who was always with me throughout the year, through thick and thin, and she could not be here because of her exams, but if you're watching, thank you so much for being there. You know what the experience was like, and I can't thank you enough. And Leo Hetav. Leo Hetav is a person that whenever I want to make a team or I want to be a part of a team now, I want Hetav in my team, kuch bhi karke. Because the amount of dedication, the amount of commitment. Yesterday night actually we were discussing Anirudh and Akshat कि हम लोग ने कभी PPT देखा ही नहीं, कि चेक ही नहीं किया. Because Hetav used to make it, and it was so perfect that we don't have to double check Hetav's work. So thank you so much Hetav for being there. And the app was a dream, you made it come true. And we have a lot more things to do in the future. Thank you so much if you're watching. Coming to Akshat and Anirudh, I was stalling, but I thought I would have words till now. But I spent every single second of the 365 days that were there. And ऐसा लग रहा था 30th June को खत्म हो जाएगा, but call logs में ऐसे Akshat Anirudh, Akshat Anirudh, Akshat Anirudh. And you know, you guys have been, Babu is like an expert in everything. He's not expert in one thing, he's an expert in everything. Even if he doesn't know, he'll say yes. He हाँ हो जाएगा. And actually it happens. He, you know, more than the treasure. See, I have not even seen the treasury things ki balance sheet bana ki nahi, expense sheet file hua ki nahi. So I don't even know how that happened magically. It was all the treasury team, Anirudh, Kunal, Danesh doing that. And same thing goes with Akshat. I don't think I've ever told you ki reporting hua ki nahi, circular bhejna. In fact, he was telling me ki circular bhejna hai, fatafat ye message approve kar. And so that is something that was exceptional. That was a gift to me that I've never seen into their duties. But I would like to talk about some specific things. That is the decision making that happened this year. Every single decision was unique this year because it had to be taken in a day or in a week because the conditions were really different. So it is Anirudh and Akshat who used to debate it out, who used to talk it out, and I would go to these people for advice on anything. Thank you so much. I still think that I haven't thanked you enough. Enough sentences haven't been spoken for you guys. But thank you so much. And just the fact that I haven't even told you कि ये करना है और हो जाना चाहिए throughout the year, it was automatically happening. So that speaks loads of what you guys stand for. Thank you so much. And now coming to the main advisor, which is Milan uncle. So Akshat took my words away actually in his speech, that whatever Milan uncle has said is either going to be right or about to be right. It has never gone wrong. And the type of support that he gives is beyond. He dances with us, he celebrates with us. I don't think I've ever seen Leo advisors or anyone Lions in the past who we had a dance community meeting, and Milan uncle was naturally on the group, on the club group, and we put okay, everyone who is wanting to come for the dance, come. But who expects Lions or Milan uncle to come? But he was there from the start till the end, and he was the best dancer throughout the event. So yes, Milan uncle, you are a Leo forever, and you deserve every respect that you get. Thank you so much. Yes, that is all I have to say. I think I've thanked everyone, every single Leo here. You guys are amazing, and yes, take those opportunities, take those challenges. You don't know that you can do it, but I'm sure that you can. So, yes, lastly, I would like to congratulate actually, Leo Shipra Maheshwari and her entire team. Just looking at the preps at the installation, the minute details on the files, every single person's photo is there. That speaks volumes, and passing the club from the youngest president to the oldest president, you guys know that a lot of experience is coming your way, and a lot of great events are coming your way. Shipra, you're amazing, and thank you so much. You were awesome as a VP, and you know that all the ideas that were done this year, how much input you have given. So thank you so much for doing that. Yeah, that's it. And we have a 2-night trip pending on us, which we couldn't do this year, and we are planning to do it in August. So if you guys haven't RSVP'd for it, the forms and everything is there on your personal chat. Please do it. Yeah, I would just like to end it with, if I say you're me, you say roar. You're me! Roar! You're me! Roar! You're me! Roar! Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Okay, so now I would like to call my micro members one by one. I have something really special for you guys. Starting with Akshat, Anirudh, Kunal. Yes. And Hetav ka gift will go into a bag that I have, which is Hetav stuff. It has been with me since last 1.5 years now, since he is in Surat, so that his gift will go into his bag. And now, you guys, please join me, because we have something really special for Milan uncle. Anirudh, Shipra, Kunal, Akshat. Okay, so as we all know, Milan uncle is one shining person, and pure as ever. So we have prepared this medal of honor made of pure silver for Milan uncle. From the entire micro for you. So it reads Golden Jubilee Leo Advisor, Land Milan Ajmera, for unmatched contribution towards Leo Club of June. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Kritan, for this privilege. And this honor. Really, you are great guys, and if I I don't have words to say thank you. I have not expected so much love from you. Yeah, that's all.
You deserve all the love and respect that you get, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Krutan, for your amazing speech. I would now like to request the micro team to present the citation to Leo Krutan Bilakia. And I would request Kunal Mehta to please read the things on the citation.
Leo Krutant, you're a leader with a vision. We have witnessed the depth of and perfection of your planning and have seen you handle the ups and downs through the unfortunate pandemic. You always uplift our spirit with your enthusiasm. Even when things don't go as planned, you always keep our morale high, never letting us down. And it was only because of your grit and passion that we have achieved the impossible and highly commendable milestone of 50 plus service projects in our 50th Leoistic year. You have a very versatile demeanor. At one moment, you're a leader with a firm vision, and at the other, you're a friend candidly discussing ideas. Your approach towards things has always been unconventional. You have always wanted to leave your mark by trying something never done before. The best part about your execution has been that you outwork your vision precisely and guide us efficiently to achieve that. Your leadership symbolizes the true essence of innovation. Along the journey, you pave the way for members to develop and showcase new skills and helping the club reach greater heights. He is a walking encyclopedia of Leoism, always ready to share his experiences, teaching us how we can leverage our potential to climb up the ladder in Leoism. You have left a positive mark on our lives that we will last for a lifetime. We, the Micro, have been very fortunate to have you as a leader. We wish that you keep roaring in all your future endeavors, and we will always be around to hear your roar. One man army, the one who eats, sleeps, and dreams Leoism. Leo Krutant.
Just a minute, guys. I have one more thing, a surprise for Krutant, the same Medal of Honor, which says Golden Jubilee President, unmatched contributions towards Leo Club of Jew, Leo Krutant Bilakia.
इसीलिए तू लेने गया. Thank you.
Before we half of the event, I would request our incoming president, Leo Shipra Maheshwari, to honor our outgoing president, Leo Krutant Bilakia.
Well, jackass yaar. लग रही एकदम jackass ध्रुवी, jackass.
Oh, I get it. Anil Kapoor chhan hai? Yeah. You know, Ashish Shankar reminds me of Anil Kapoor from the movie Nayak. Though in the movie he was a minister just for a day, our lion Ashish Sheth has taken up the presidency for the second year.
Movie, sustainability. Sustainability is the buzzword, uncle. Sustainability. Well, he's a knight in the shining armor, the one who doesn't shy away from any challenges. Please welcome the one and only Lion Ashish Sheth for induction of the new members.
Induction ceremony is where we welcome the new members in the Leo movement and take up the oath to do right by the club. We would also request all the new members to come forward when your names are announced.
Ashna Mehta, Bhavya Chheda, Bhavya Chawla, Devanshi Kasabwala, Disha Bhakri, Hardev Rathod, Krishna Bhakri, Manaswi, Meet Shah, Rahul Vasa, Rutvi Mehta, Smith Zaveri, Viraj Mehta, Vardhan Dang, Akriti Kerawala, Rahil Dalal and Aryan Sarvaiya. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of the members on the Zoom meeting. Darshan Dhanani, Deshna Seth, Drumil Wani, Himanshi Shah, Manav Vora, Naman Shah, Nehal Savla, Parina Sangvi, Priyanshi Shah, Shreya Parekh, Sneha Vora, Tanay Bheda, Vaibhav Savla, Viram Atul Chheda and Utkarsh Jalan.
Good afternoon, friends, and President on the dais, off the dais, the members on the dais and off the dais, and the people on the Zoom. It's really a privilege to induct new members and seeing really very energetic, smiling faces. Some faces are a little bit concerned whether I'm at the right place at the right time or not. But that's okay. Over a period of time, over the 1 year, I'm sure you all will feel proud of having joined an association which is one of the oldest in India and one of the most prestigious Leo club in India. You all have been here while probably the starting of the meeting, and I know that you all have taken up this responsibility of coming together and joining this club with a purpose and an intention to first probably make more friends and secondly enjoy your life. That's probably going to be the motto. But while enjoying your life, this particular club is going to change your mind and heart towards mankind, humanity, and bring you more closer to what is required to be done by you people in your life at this particular point in time. So let me not waste a lot of your time, I would say, and the time of the people over here. I would request all of you to raise your right hand and speak after me. When I say I, after that you have to say your name, right? So say after me. I. Say your name. In presence of the members of the Leo Club. Take on this solemn obligation. To abide by the Constitution. And bylaws of the club. To attend all meetings regularly. To support. And further the interest of the club. In all its undertakings. And to contribute my fair share. Towards the financial support of the club. I further declare that I will assist in maintaining, building, and strengthening the membership of the club. And I will help the club by actively serving on committees in all other capacities where my efforts are needed. And finally, I will develop myself those qualities of cheerfulness, service, and loyalty which should characterize a Leo Club member at all times. Great. You all spoke so well. So now you all are inducted as the members of the Leo Club of Juhu. I welcome you all to this fine club, and I only would request all of you to participate in each and every activity of the club. In the initial time, probably initial days, you may like it or you may not like it, but still be very proactive. Come forward with a helping hand, supporting each and every activities of the President of the Year. Try to give your good ideas. No single person is complete in this world, and the President would be very happy to have your ideas. If at all it clicks, work. So work together, walk together, talk together, but act with one mind, and that mind should be of the President, not anybody else's. Right? So now you all are the members, and I would request the presiding officer to give the lapel pins to everybody. Can I have the lapel pins? You got to wear this lapel pins every time when you have an official meeting. This pin will make you more prouder and hold your head more high. I'll just, while giving the pins, I'll remind you of your pledge. You know what it says? I pledge of my heart to reach out for it, and it will be touched. I pledge of my ears to hear others' outcry. You are here for service, not just for entertainment, but it is entertainment and service together, right? So make sure that the part of service is more and entertainment is less, or there is entertainment in service, right? Good. Your parents would be certainly proud at the end of the year for seeing you a little bit changed person than what you are today, a little bit more humble and polite people than what you are today, and something who would now start listening to your parents if you are not listening henceforth from today. Right? Great. Thank you. Thanks to all of you. And now you can take your seat. Thank you very much. Looking at all these things, I just feel I was a Leo. I wish I was a Leo, but that's fine. What they say for the Leo: leadership, experience, and opportunity. And I've grabbed all of them as the president when I was at the first time, and now as the second time in the Lions Club of Juhu. Not many people would be knowing, but my son Sarjak was the first secretary of the new Alpha Leo Club of CNMS. CNMS, yes. What more to say about Leo Krutan's 54 projects? You were given a mandate of 50 projects in the 50th year. So it was really very wonderful of you. And I know you had to fight a lot of challenges within and outside as well. Outside it was pandemic, and inside there was something more serious than the pandemic. But you have come out as a winner. 25 trophies, am I right? Is nothing less than the best of the testimonial which you could have. So you are leaving the chair with a very, very positive note, and with something which you will hold your head high amongst all the Leos across at any time in future. So congratulations to you. And congratulations to Leo, Anirudh and Akshat also, to have supported all the visions of the President. And it is always said that the President dreams and the dream come true should be made by the micro team, including the most closest, the Secretary and the Treasurer. So really good work done, and kudos to all of you, and congratulations in your future endeavors. What to say about Leo Milan Ajmera? He was a Leo, he is a Leo, and will always remain a Leo. In fact, he has been my mentor in the Lions Club. I was his secretary when he was the president. And he is a visionary. He has a lot of things in his mind, and he does all the things what he have in his mind, as what you all say. That before you even think about, what he says is true or about to be true. Great. I only would like to say that 50 years is very good, but 51st is the icing on the cake. And that one matters more than the 50. I'm very privileged to be the Lion President in the 51st year and to have Leo Shipra as the President of Leo in the 51st year. So I will make sure that we'll not let that icing on the cake be even a little less than any more decorative cake which you could have ever seen. And with Leo Sheetal as the advisor, I'm sure the creativity will come out in the best of its possible manner. So with this, I thank the entire last year's team and congratulate the incoming team with Leo Shipra and for 1 year Leo Sheetal to make sure that this year becomes a wonderful year. 104 members last year, and this year starting with a membership of 98 is really very good, and I'm sure by the end of this year we will certainly pass the coveted mark of 100 and go way beyond. Thanks to all of you and congratulations. And I promise the celebration of the 50th year, we will certainly make it, we will rock it this year, and remember that 50th year in the best of the times ever had by Leo, right? Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Lion Ashish Seth, for inducting our new members. And all the new members, we welcome you to the Leo family.